So this is Nottingham. To the left. Oh, they lost their roof. Shit. And all the crap around. Oh boy. I don't know if anybody's injured. I hope not. That sucks. Oh no. More. I guess they lost.
There's a paddle boat in the middle of the driveway. That doesn't belong there.
More damage over there. Oh, they lost.
Trees out of the water. See that?
No. Trees down over here. So this is supposed to be the path of the tornado, which it definitely looks like a path of the tornado. Just look for wires. Make sure there's no wires here. Shit.
It's not power right there.
Let's just turn around here. I don't want to.
You can't get through there anyway.
Yeah, I know, but I don't want to even go down there. I wonder where that part of that roof came from. I lost bushes.
Where?
Well, they're in Nottingham. It's over there. I can't tell from here. I thought we'd be able to see through these houses, not realizing that they'd be so damaged, but... Oh, that's where that piece of house was from that house. That's all. That's a bummer. I don't know if we'll be able to see the people that lost the boats.
Yeah, I'm not sure you can turn down Nottingham.
Well, I'm gonna. If we have to turn around, we have to turn around. We don't know which house they moved into, though, do we?
No. But they lost their boat, picked up their boat, destroyed it. Their deck, or their dock. Jet ski.
Oh, you know what? I bet it was them. Oh, there's trees down back there. Holy crap. What address is Yvonne?
She's real close right in here somewhere.
Yeah, down here, 139, I think. You think you're just going to zip through there? Oh, that's a bummer.
Is that a power line?
No. Oh. Oh, they lost. Oh, wow. Oh, there's where the big tree fell. So Kim lives right here, my book club friend that lost the trees. Holy shit. Oh, that's not a power line. Oh, man. We can go around the other way. We don't have to come back out this way. Oh, man. That's hers, isn't it? Or is it 129?
I think it's 129. She backs in, so that's her.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. And it's going to start raining again.
Yep.
Oh,
What?
I saw one of the boats that was flipped.
Really? Pontoon boats?
Yeah.
Oh.
See it?
Wow. Car behind you.
I know. What's over here? Anything? Oh, these people just got this house done. Did it ruin anything? Oh, those folks lost a tree. Wow, they already got that cut? That's crazy. More damage right there.
This
Shit.
is somebody's roof or
Yeah,
porch or deck or something.
exactly. Roof or deck or something. Doesn't look like any more damage here. Yep, I stand corrected. There's more stuff. It doesn't look too bad right here. There's no. Oh, geez. Oh, there's a bunch of pontoons.
Another car behind you.
Wait. There's a bunch of pontoons flipped. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, this new build looks okay. They're lucky. I don't really think you can see from this turnaround. Geez, people are fast here, man. They already got their branches out at the curb. Oh, there's a park out here?
Apparently.
I didn't know that. Holy shit. Well, you can see over there, it doesn't look like any folks were flipped, does it?
I don't think so.
Well, it's part of some trees here.
But there's a dock way out there. Doesn't belong.
Yeah? Where's that?
Right there. The point, past the point.
No, no, no. I didn't know there was a park here. Can you see across over to the other side? Does that look all right? I guess they said it was only the north side of Stump Bay, so that would be this side. That house is so pretty. Hmm.